Today, I am reviewing the Beelink SER9 MAX mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ryzen 7 H255 processor is the centerpiece of this experience, and it feels like a serious step up from the typical U-series or older H-series chips found in many mini PCs. With 8 cores and 16 threads, the system never feels short on CPU resources. Heavy multitasking is where the SER9 MAX starts to separate itself. Running multiple demanding applications at the same time, large browser sessions, development environments, background services, and even CPU-heavy workloads like rendering or compression all feel smooth and controlled. There's no sudden slowdown when load increases, and more importantly, performance remains consistent over longer sessions. This is not a burst-only machine that feels fast for 5 minutes and then backs off. Clock speeds stay high, responsiveness stays intact, and the system feels dependable even when pushed. The inclusion of 64GB of DDR5 memory fundamentally changes how this mini PC behaves compared to most competitors. You're not managing memory anymore, you're just using it. Virtual machines, large datasets, heavy multitasking, and creative workflows all benefit from the sheer amount of fast RAM available. Everything feels immediate. Applications open quickly, switching between tasks is instant, and even memory-hungry software doesn't cause hesitation. This much RAM also gives the integrated Radeon 780M graphics more breathing room, which directly impacts graphical performance and overall system smoothness. Storage performance is another area where the SER9 MAX feels uncompromising. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD delivers extremely fast boot times and file transfers, and the system feels snappy from the moment you press the power button. Large files move quickly, project folders open without delay, and system updates complete faster than expected for a compact machine. The presence of dual SSD slots adds real long-term value. This isn't just about capacity, it's about flexibility. You can dedicate one drive to the OS and applications and another to projects, media, or scratch space, which is something professionals actually benefit from in daily use. Graphics performance is where this mini PC quietly impresses. The Radeon 780M integrated GPU is one of the strongest iGPUs currently available, and in real-world usage it shows. Desktop animations are fluid, high-resolution video playback is effortless, and multi-monitor setups feel smooth even at higher refresh rates. Light to moderate gaming is genuinely enjoyable here. Esports titles like Dota 2, CS, Go, and League of Legends run comfortably, and even more demanding games are playable at sensible settings. This is not a replacement for a dedicated GPU gaming rig, but for a compact system, the balance between CPU and GPU performance feels well-matched and practical. Triple display support significantly enhances the usability of the system. Running 3 4K displays at the same time transforms the SER9 MAX into a serious productivity machine. Whether you're working with timelines, dashboards, code editors, or communication tools, the system handles multi-monitor workloads without lag or instability. The USB 4 port adds another layer of versatility, especially for high-speed external storage, docking solutions, or future expansion. The port selection overall is excellent and clearly aimed at power users. From high-speed USB ports to 10 gigabits per second Ethernet, this mini PC doesn't force compromises that are often expected at this size. Thermals and noise management are handled better than expected for a system with this level of performance. Under light and moderate loads, the SER9 MAX stays quiet and unobtrusive. When pushed hard, the fan does ramp up, but it never becomes distracting or harsh. Heat is managed efficiently, and the system doesn't exhibit the aggressive throttling behavior that can plague high-performance mini PCs. This contributes heavily to the feeling that the SER9 MAX is designed for sustained workloads, not just short bursts of speed. Connectivity is another strong point. Wi-Fi 6 provides fast and stable wireless performance, while Bluetooth 5.2 connects peripherals quickly and reliably. The inclusion of a high-speed wired LAN option makes this system suitable for professional environments, home servers, or anyone who values low-latency networking. Wake-on-LAN support also adds convenience for remote access or office setups. Over time, what stands out most about the Beelink SER9 MAX is how complete it feels. It doesn't rely on one standout feature to sell itself. Instead, it delivers strong CPU performance, excellent memory capacity, fast storage, capable graphics, and robust connectivity in a compact form factor that actually makes sense in daily use.